24 at Harps.
Where's 1037 with it? Out of 5 correct.
TBI, TBI, TBI.
TBI.
Show me your hands! Show me your fucking hands! Show me your fucking hands! We're going 10-15.
Vegas or our hometown of Houston with a trip for 2.
It's clear.
2 night hotel stay and 2 tickets to Beyonce's Cowboy Carter tour.
What the fuck was that?
I don't know.
Yeah, baby, that's my truck. That's my truck.
I didn't dig it up too bad, man. Ignorant ass
Fuck told you to get up.
Fuck.
Boy, you thought you was slick, didn't you, ma'am?
Hey, you got someone to pick this up, buddy?
Yeah, I'll get somebody.
Okay.
They told me to do it.
Yeah, I'm gonna find out who you're affiliated with, toolbox lady.
They told me to do it.
Hey, can you grab me? You tell me something? Yeah. Let's walk over to my car. Get it, bro.
Hang on my seat.
Shut up.
What you have is just right behind sound.
Hey, let's pull in here and unblock the road.
Out of 5 out of 6, 3, 7. 15 including that. Simple. Put our troop in here, 1064. Resume normal traffic, 557. One suspect, 1015.
What am I getting charged with?